everyone and welcome back in a new video. Today I'm going to present you Python Bitwise Operators. Python Bitwise Operators help perform bit operations. First, all the decimal values will convert into binary values sequence. Next, the Bitwise operators work on these bits by shifting left to the right or transforming bit values from 0 to 1 and vice versa. Start by examples. For example, let's take the value A equal to 25, the value B equal to 1000. Okay, print A and B is equal. Okay, this is our comment, and this is okay, and this is the statement. Okay, so the output is equal to 8. Now let's use the OR Python function. Okay, A or B is equal. Okay, and the statement is the following one. Okay, so the output is 1070. Okay, now let's print the output of the exclusive OR. Okay, A exclusive OR B is equal, and the value is following one. Okay, and the value is 1009. Now let's print not. So not A is equal to this value. And the value is minus 26. Okay, now let's show the left shift. The value A is equal, and the statement is the following one. Okay, oh, okay, let's repeat it. I didn't add the comments characters or codes. Okay, and let's see, the output is 50. Okay, now print right shift of A is equal. Let's add the comments. Okay, A okay, so the output is 12. Now I'm going to leave you with a table which is going to show you each operators and the meaning. Also, I'm going to show you a conclusion of the output of those operators. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to leave a comment with your feedback and what you want to see in next videos. Also, don't forget to click on the like button, subscription button, notification button, and share the video everywhere. Thank you all for the support. I really appreciate the support in the last few months. We almost 3K subscribers. See you in next videos. Bye for now.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah.